This is a reflection and refraction lab. It's an experimental verification of Snell's law. The apparatus consists of a laser, that white thing right there, and this table that allows you to measure angles of the direction of propagation of the laser light. So you begin by lining up this 0 degrees with where the laser is coming in. You want the laser passing this way. The laser should follow the 0 degree line initially, pass through this piece of semicircular piece of plastic, and come out at 0 degrees on the other side. So you might want to move things around, fine tune it a little bit, adjust it. Closer the better. Then, so you have the angle is 0 degrees along the perpendicular to this flat surface, and the light is passing through and coming out at 0 degrees. There's also a reflected beam coming back towards the laser. You can see it right here if you look. That's also at 0 degrees. So you have 0 degrees incident, 0 degrees transmitted or refracted, and 0 degrees reflecting. That's your first data point. Record that. Then you move this over to 10 degrees. So you have the laser coming in at 10 degrees. There's a little handle down here that allows you to rotate the disc without touching it. It's more stable that way. So I line this so that I can see the beam coming in at 10 degrees. There's a reflected beam right here. It's also coming out, in this case, at about 10 degrees. And there's a transmitted beam or refracted beam over here, and I measure that angle, and that's the refracted angle. Then I do 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, each time measuring the direction of the reflected beam and the transmitted beam, and writing down those 3 angles for each incident up to 70 degrees.
This is the video lab procedure to find the index of refraction in the refraction and refraction lab. On any one of the computers in the lab, you will see an icon on the desktop that says physics folder. Click on that. You will find another icon within there that says index of refraction. This will open up a Logger Pro program where we will find the index of refraction that you need to complete your lab. When this program starts up, you will need to enter in your theta 1 and theta 2 values. The program's already set up to automatically find the sign of those theta 1s and theta 2 values, and will tell you your index of refraction. If you are an engineering physics student or college physics student, you'll have to do this twice, where you had to do it for glass and water. To do that, you want to click on Data, and then come down here and click on New Data Set. This will enter in a totally new data set. You have to scroll over so you can see it, where you can enter your values in for water or glass, depending on which one you used.